Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Nick Asa, and today we are diving into a topic that might seem harmless but could have consequences on your health. If you have ever grabbed a sachet water that has been sitting in the sun, you would want to watch this video till the end. In many countries, especially in warmer climates, sachet water is a popular and affordable way to stay hydrated. But did you know that exposing these sachets to sunlight can potentially make them dangerous to consume? When sachet water is left in the sun, the intense heat can cause the plastic material known as the polyethylene to release harmful chemicals into the water. These chemicals, like bisphenol A and other toxins, can cause health issues over time. So if you have ever experienced this, you could see that drinking such water that has been exposed into the sun for longer hours, you can see it's giving you a very unpleasant taste. So sachet water is really good, but every good thing has the negative aspect of it. So let us be careful how we treat our produce water so that they are not exposed to the sun. So study shows that prolonged exposure to heat increases the leaching of these harmful substances into the water. The hotter it gets, the more substances can seep into the water you are drinking. So we must be very careful. Ask questions whenever you are buying from retailers or wholesalers whether the box has been in the sunlight or has been exposed to sunlight, and if so, for how long. Ask all these questions because your health is important. So drinking contaminated water with these chemicals can lead to health issues. For instance, bisphenol A is known to mimic estrogen in the body, which can disrupt your hormones. Also, long-term exposure to sunlight may even increase the risk of certain cancers, kidney damages, and other chronic illness. As a producer, as a retailer, you are not making business to die. You are making business at the end of the day to enjoy. So please let us know how we are going to manage our produce. It is nice to cover them with something nice and a little heavy when they are on the market. Okay, so when you are sending your produce in the market, try as much as you can to cover it with something so that they are not directly exposed to sunlight. It is always good to do sales in the morning and sometimes in the evening, depending in the location you find yourself. Okay, so there is always a way to prevent something from happening. Okay, so in order for us to overcome these dangers, we have to store our sachet water or our bags of water in a cool shaded area. And I'm repeating this, if you are buying from vendors, retailers, please do inquiries. Ask questions whether the bags has been exposed to sunlight or they are in the sun. Okay, so you have to do all this research, okay, before you make an attempt to buy. Okay, so but one thing is also that because we are all chasing the money, at the end of the day, we are all looking for the money. Even if the bags are in the sun or they have been exposed to the sun, they won't tell you. People won't tell you because they also need their money. So until you buy it and know that no, this bag was in the sun, you will know this. You know, the moment you drink it, you will sense the taste of the nylon instead of the water taste. You will sense a different taste. Comment down below if you have experienced this. For me, I have experienced this before. There was an instance I bought some and I saw that no, this bag has been exposed to sunlight. I was drinking something different. It was giving me a different taste, so I have to drop the whole bag because my health is important. So do this too and save your life. So the next time you make an attempt to grab a sachet water that has been baking in the sun, think twice because your health is too important to take risk with. Okay, so the last advice I want to give you to producers and retailers: if you are selling on the market with a tricycle cargo, with a long vehicle cargoes, please do well to cover your bags of water. Save yourself and save others out there. Okay, God bless all of us in 2025. Those of you who are anticipating, who are looking forward to set up a sachet water business, may God help you come by it and go through it successfully. Okay, so that's all I have for today. If you have any comment, you can leave it down in the comment section. Anyway, if this video has been helpful to you, give it a massive thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more relevant content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.